Yes. So want to hear a joke? Not so much a joke, but uh I don't know if it'll even come through on this because it's an iPhone 6 SE. It's ancient. It still has like the button on it. Um, but being able to afford a new phone sucks on my pay. But yeah, so the thing is, I dress fairly masculine. I think I dress fairly neutral, but I mean, yeah, I could see how it looks a little more masculine. But like three times today now, I've at least probably more than that actually. I have been out on town just like wearing a black hoodie. It's a long hoodie, like it goes almost to my knee, hood up because it's been, raining all day. And on top of that, like it's only been like tops 40 degrees. So I've just been looking like the Unabomber or something with sunglasses on and my hoodie up, and in some cases with a face mask on. So I get it when like you're completely covered that people don't know what you're gonna sound like, but it happened like three times today, more than that actually, and I don't think I sound that weird, but I guess maybe I do. Maybe you're not expecting me to sound the way that I sound. But here's the question, where even is my voice? Because as you can tell, I have quite a bit of range. And not really for practicing, just sort of is. I think that probably has to do with the connective tissue disorder because, like, everything's connective tissue, and if it's all really stretchy, you can kind of flex it and talk differently, especially if you put any effort into it. But, like, what voice are you expecting? I mean, with this and, like, all this, like, what are you expecting? I don't know what you're expecting, but I do look quite androgynous. I mean, like, just my face shape. Like, I have a defined jawline, thin lips, high cheekbones, a distinguished nose that, by the way, is not straight. I mean, I get it. I get it. I do. But at the same time, I can talk however I want. Customer service, how can I help you? I mean, generally, about here is my talking voice. Generally speaking, because it tends to match my exterior a little bit better than some of the other voices that I can do. But I can do a different voice for just about any occasion. And I can definitely sound a little different. Just however I want. But then I can also pull other voices. Like, oh my god, why do people get so surprised by this voice? It's not even difficult. But like, got me with a spoon. Oh my god. But then again, I mean, like, dude, do you even lift? Like, bro. So what are you expecting? What do you think I should sound like? Because I don't even have a very specific voice. I can do whatever I damn well please. I can have a really high voice. I can have a very mid voice. I can have a very sultry voice. And then I can have a voice with a lot of resonance. There's some variety. I can also kind of do some accents. If you listen to me long enough, you'll be able to tell that I still have a little bit of a lisp. Uh, just, yeah, I mean, I don't know what people are expecting. And it's just kind of odd to think about. A little. Well, what do you want? What do you want? I can give you whatever you want, baby. Yeah, this just feels a little weird because, I mean, I know it's a strange talent, and I know that a lot of people just, like, I confuse a lot of people. Like, especially men. uh, Women are confused in a different way. Especially when I'm like, hey, do you need a hug? Because and men just feel a way that they think they shouldn't. Yeah. Okay. I can say, sound, do whatever you want. Just somehow. Baby, I'm flexible. There's far too much innuendo just by the way I look. And then you throw in the way that I sound, and wow. If life is all but a stage, mine's on fire. I don't know, man. I mean, life is a mess, right? You just gotta kind of roll with it and do what you can. And ooh, I can do a lot.
Yeah, I can do whatever I damn well please, okay?
Oh well. Next time.